Hi everyone and welcome back again. So today I am going to unbox this package from Double Dip. So they sent me this package and I am going to show you what's inside. So they said they are going to send me their August mystery box and as well as some other goodies. So yeah, let's dive into this box. So first I had that note, thank you so much Double Dip for sending me this. So the first item is in this holographic packaging, and these are some fruit like fruit slices that you can encapsulate on your nails. So I am so excited, and it has some more stickers, more fruit stickers at the back, and these are so nice and colorful, so I can't wait to try these stickers because I love these stickers. They lay flat nicely on your nails. And there's another something in here, and it is more like decorations, nail art, accessories. These are some gold butterflies and they are so pretty and perfect for the fall. And I also have here some like rhinestone. These are super nice gems, and they also gave me these very nice and colorful butterflies. So next one is a tweezers. So this tweezer is from VENA. So those are the items or the products that they sent me. And this one is the mystery box that I told you a while ago. This is their August mystery box, and I am going to unbox it to you guys. So this is actually my first time receiving Double Dip mystery box. If you guys are interested in purchasing their next month mystery box, I am going to put the details in the description box. So I'm just going to open this up, and I am so excited. I did purchase their mystery colors for the past months, but I haven't really purchased the box itself. So yeah, these one are so cute. These are some stickers which I really keep and put it on my planner. And yeah, let's dive into this box. So of course you'll be getting this thank you card and some info. And now this is the color. So it comes with 3 dip powders. So this one is the first color. It says mystery color 2. The second one is called orange blossom. I believe that is the glitter. And this one is the solid. It is called butterscotch. So I am going to show you the swatches of those later. So here are some more glitters. So this one is more of a silver loose glitter. So there's another glitter in here, and it is a pink one, and same as the other one, this is also a loose glitter, so you can sprinkle this on top of your manicure. This one is a soap. No wonder the box smells so good. And this one is some liquids, and it says here premium jelly liquids. So I believe these liquids are for their jelly tips. So I did a video of that, and I'll be putting it up in the cards and in the description box. So I did a tutorial on how to apply jelly dips. It comes with protein bond adhesive primer, press on glue gel, and a non-wipe top coat. So thank you so much again. I am so excited to try those liquids. And of course there are more stickers, and this one is a cat eye gel magnet, and it also comes with some swatch sticks so that you can swatch your colors. So I appreciate that they included that. So there's another liquid here, and this is their cat eye gel polish. That's why they also included some magnets for this cat eye gel. So yeah, I am so excited to use this one, and this one is a green, a dark green color. So I think we're almost there, but there's another loose glitter here. This is a holographic like glitter, which is super nice. And it also comes with some sponge applicator. So yeah, this is the last item, and it is a double dip like eco bag, and it says here, dip more, worry less. And I really love this one because the strap is long, so you can wear it as a sling bag. So that's pretty much everything that is inside the box, and now I am showing you the swatches of the 3 dip powders. Alright, so I am now going to start with the application. So I'll be using these 3 colors that is included in the box, and we'll also be using double dip liquids. So my nails are now ready. I am wearing the VENA jelly tips, and yeah, I already applied peel base, and let's start the application. So the first color that I am going to use is the solid color, which is called Butterscotch. So I'll be applying this color on my thumb and on my pointer finger. So moving on to the next color, I'll be using this mystery color number 2, and I'll be applying this color on my ring finger and pinky. So I'll be doing 2 layers of this color on both of those nails. And lastly, for the glitter, this one is called Orange Blossom, and I'll be applying this on my middle finger and will be doing an ombre as well. So I am just going to apply this glitter and let you guys watch, and I will be back. Alright, so I'm done applying all the colors and the glitters. I'm just going to clear encapsulate this, and this is how it looks like. And I am now going to apply the double dip activator. And then I am going to let this dry and do all my filing and shaping off cam. And this is how it looks like. So now I decided to apply some of those gold butterflies. So I'll be applying these stickers on my thumb and pinky. really love these stickers because they lay flat on your nails, and as you can see, there are no like pieces that are sticking out. So yeah, I'm just going to apply also on my thumb, and we'll be top coating this after. So now that I apply the stickers, it's now time to top coat, and we'll be using this VENA non-wipe gel top coat. Then I'll be curing this in the lamp for 60 seconds, and this is after I cured everything. So now it's time to apply cuticle oil, and as per usual, I'll be applying this Scales of a Mermaid. This scent is called Suns Out and Buns Out, so this one is a limited edition scent. And here is the finished look. I actually love how this mani turned out. I really love these colors. It is perfect for the fall. So if you guys are interested in purchasing double dip mystery boxes, I'll be putting the details in the description box. And yeah, thank you so much again, Double Dip, for sending me these beautiful goodies. And thank you also guys for watching. I really appreciate you all. So thank you, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!